Operation of the small autoclave. In order to use the autoclave, the following steps should be undertaken. First, the small bottle located at the side of the autoclave towards the rear should be checked. The water level should fall within the 2 black lines marked. If this is not the case, adjust the volume in the bottle appropriately and replace. The large vent bottle should be removed by pulling outwards. Holding the bottle upright, a mark indicates the correct water level. Adjust the water level to the indicated mark and replace the bottle by pushing the bottle into place. You will feel it click into place. Turn the power switch to on and sign in on the sheet on the top of the autoclave lid, indicating the date, time, your name and the lab you work in, the sterilisation conditions being used and the materials to be autoclaved. Open the lid of the autoclave. Check the water level inside the autoclave. The water should come to just below the metal band visible in the hole in the centre of the base plate. Top up if necessary. Insert a basket into the autoclave and load items into the basket. Loosen the lids on all bottles. Close the autoclave lid. Slide the door lock all the way to the left to lock the door. Note that the display will flash open even when the door has been locked at this stage. This indicator simply lights when it is safe to open the autoclave. The set temperature and time will flash on the display and alternate with the current temperature. Generally, this autoclave is used for a sterilisation of 121 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes. Press Start. Once you see heat G flashing, the autoclave cycle has begun. After approximately 2 hours, the sterilisation will be complete and the temperature and pressure have decreased to allow safe opening of the autoclave. The open indicator will flash again. Double check the pressure has returned to normal on the pressure indicator. Slide the door lock to the right and open the autoclave. Be aware there may be a rush of steam escaping from a newly opened autoclave. Remove materials carefully using heat-resistant gloves. Tighten, loosen bottle lids before you lift the items out, as steam can escape from under the lid. Where autoclave tape has been used, black lines on the tape will indicate that the sterilisation temperature was achieved in the autoclave. Turn the autoclave off.